How to use Horizon strategy on Olymp trade. Hey traders, today I'll walk you through how to use the Horizon strategy on Olymp trade to maximize your profits. Let's dive in. The Horizon strategy focuses on trading based on long-term trends, particularly in assets with predictable price movements. It's great for identifying entry points by analyzing historical price data and moving averages. To get started, set up a moving average indicator in your Olymp trade chart. Choose a 50-period moving average for long-term trends and a 20-period moving average for short-term trends. The strategy works when the short-term moving average crosses the long-term average. When the 20-period moving average crosses above the 50-period moving average, it signals an upward trend, meaning it's a good time to buy. Conversely, when the 20-period moving average crosses below the 50-period, it indicates a downtrend, signaling it's time to sell. Using the Horizon strategy helps you catch the right trends for better trades in the right timing. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips, and thanks for watching.